Good morning. Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd bringing you our latest performance build. It's a 2022 regular cab F150, two-wheel drive, 5-liter V8, 10-speed automatic, 331 gears with electronic locking differential. And you can tell we've done a few things to it. Those of you that follow our channel know kind of the basic cosmetic things we do. We'll run through that real quick. So normally that would be just a dull plastic grille. It's been sanded smooth, two-toned, where the color matching on the upper and lower has been done with a high gloss black accent for the center section. We've painted the front and rear bumpers to match. The fender vents were removed, sanded smooth, and then color matched as well to look factory. Same thing on the door handles. Those would normally have a texture similar to these mirrors. As you can see, those are smoothed over and glossed up. Looks good. Got our MBRP side exit exhaust. That is the race version that we use. Comes with the nice black tips. It's pretty aggressive. We really like the styling and they sound amazing. This is the first time we've used a set of these wheels. These are the new Ford Performance 22-inch wheel in gloss black. Be curious what your guys' feedback is on that. If you want to mention down in the comments, tell us what you think. I think it gives it a nice factory sport truck look, which has always kind of been my goal, is to make people question whether Ford built that or if it was customized. Tinted the windows, and taillights have been tinted, as well as the third brake light. This truck does have a hitch on it. We usually order them with that. If you're going to tow with these trucks, you need to do some more modifications. Basically helper bags for the rear to give a little more support. Once we flip that rear axle kit and drop it, you lose a lot of suspension travel, obviously. And speaking of suspension, this is the IHC Ride Quality Kit. Gives you a 3-inch drop in the front, 5 in the rear. And this truck has a little more rake than most of them. And that's because there's a little something under the hood that we haven't been able to do in a while. So we'll show you that here in a little bit. All right, so matching the Ford Performance wheels, we've used Ford Performance door seal plates. So you got your climate control. There's your drive modes and electronic locking differential switch. So we order these trucks with the 101A package, which is going to give you power locks, windows, tilt, cruise, all that stuff. We also order carpet, fog lamps, satellite radio, and that kind of gives you a nice package where, yes, it's an XL, it's kind of the entry-level truck, but it has some nice amenities to it and seems to be a good fit. Nice steering wheel controls. All your light controls are down here. Say power locks, mirrors, power windows. Nicely equipped. These actually have heated mirrors too as part of that package. All right, so let's take a look under the hood. So the reason that nose sitting is a little lower, she's got a supercharger sitting on it. That is the new revised Roush 2650 blower setup, and I say revised. They made some tweaks to it. The most important and biggest part of it would be the new heat exchanger. Those of you that kind of researched these trucks in the past and known if you ran these trucks pretty hard, the Roush blower would heat soak and then you'd lose power from the engine pulling timing due to the intake temperatures. Roush came out with a 107% larger heat exchanger. You can't really see it. It's tucked in behind the grill. It's massive. I mean, it's more than twice the size of the previous generation, and that has resolved that issue. And the other upside to that, those previous kits were 650 horsepower. This kit is rated at 705 horsepower. That's flywheel horsepower, and that's a huge improvement. 55 more horsepower than previous kit, and it still comes with a 3-year 36,000 mile powertrain coverage at no charge. You don't have to contact a third-party warranty company and buy a warranty. Roush includes one with the kit. It's an awesome setup. They are confident in the performance and the reliability of it, which is why they do that. Obviously, as soon as you put a supercharger on a truck, the factory powertrain warranty is gone. So the 5-year 60 powertrain warranty is void from Ford, but Roush steps in and covers it for 3 years, 36,000 miles. It's an awesome deal. The other beauty of the Roush system is that any Ford dealership in the country is allowed to work on it. Now, some dealers aren't going to want to work on it. You'll need to talk to your dealership and see if they will. The tunes are all sent through the Ford computers, which makes it capable for Ford dealerships to do warranty work. Roush has got a great website. They've got a hotline phone number. It makes it super easy. That's why we prefer this package, because of the warranty. And if you're out of state and need some help, any Ford dealership can help you out. So what do you think of this new color, this Atlas blue? A little darker than Velocity. It's the new bright blue for 22. It's not quite as bright as Lightning or Velocity was, but man, it still looks killer to me. All right, that's pretty much the rundown of it. We'll put a link in the description to the truck, and we've got more of these coming soon. I know we've got a lot of phone calls. We get calls every day asking if we have any more. So this is the first one with the Supercharger. We're going to build several more, 4 or 5, maybe 6 more. Of the last 2022 chassis we have coming in. Ford has stopped taking orders for the 22, so we're going to have to wait for 23 to order more. All right, appreciate everybody watching, and look forward to some feedback in the comments. Have a great day.